Welcome back to Lit Mode. So around 8-9 days are left for SEBI Grade A prelims exam, and as the phase 1 is very near, so you would be anxious. So that's quite natural and nothing to worry about that. One question which has been asked repeatedly, that sir, is 80 mark more than enough to clear the exam? So the answer is C. We have also sent multiple mails to SEBI, and the answer we received was like you have to score 30% marks in paper 1 of phase 1 and 40% marks in paper 2 of phase 2. And if you get 40% marks overall, phase 1 plus paper 1 plus paper 2, then you will qualify for mains. Again, so there will be two cases. If you will target only 80 marks, then it may be possible that you will end up getting 65, 70, 75. So what you should target? You should target at least 120, 140 marks. Basically, you have to give your best so that cutoff is not a barrier for you, because only those people clear the exam who think of getting selected and not only of cutoff. Now we have launched the SEBI Grade A test series, and the pattern is same as which has been recently launched, that is 20 into 4 sections, and each question carries 1.25 marks. Apart from that, 50 questions from economics, management, accounts, costing, etc. So 50 questions each of 2 marks. So around 130 question in each mock, so you will get 5 mocks, and the first mock is free. So go and appear for first mock, which is free. You will find the description link, and in the description you will find the link, and 3 tests are already live. So go and try the first mock, which is totally free of cost. No penny you need to pay. So why you need to appear for mocks? You would be asking that why should I go for mocks? So see, if you will go for mocks, you will attempt at least 650 questions in 5 mocks. So it will obviously boost your total mark in the final exam by 10 to 20 marks, because you will see multiple questions directly from our GA. It may come also in ESI and management also, apart from finance also. Apart from that, you will also find that many of our phase 2 means paper 1 phase 2 jo paper is, you will also find many questions directly coming in the exam, so that will help you again. So that's why, to boost your marks by at least 10-20 marks, appear for the mocks, gauge your preparation. This mock will also help to gauge your preparation. So to gauge your preparation, do appear for the mocks. Apart from that, finalizing your strategy, it will also help you to finalize your strategy, because see what happens that those people who are not going to appear for any mock will go to the exam, and if they get a tough puzzle and they are not able to solve that puzzle, then they will choke and they will just break their paper. Okay, but if you have done that at your home, so you can finalize your strategy and you can go and rock the exam. So do finalize your strategy at the home and just go and repeat the same in the exam hall. Latest exam pattern. So obviously all the mocks in the exam are not on latest exam pattern. Somebody providing 25 into 4, somebody 40 plus 20 into 3. So our is 20 into 4, and that constitute of 400 marks. So which is basically the exam pattern. Apart from that, the questions are top notch quality. So the questions are created by very well experienced faculties, and you will definitely see a difference. So the quality is top notch, and we have received the feedbacks also from those who have already appeared for the mocks. So don't think, just go click the link and appear for the first mock. Now there will be 2 cases after the pre-result. The first case will be those people who are targeting only 80 marks. So they may also get less mark, or if after getting 79 also they may be disqualified. So their faces will be like this. But those people who are well aware of their capability and they give their best, so they will make a statement like this. So you have to be like him and you have to give your best, target at least 120 to 140 marks, then you will easily clear the prelims. And mark my words, there will be some surprise. So whatever surprise is there, that will be for all. If any particular section is tough, that will be for all. So don't worry, just stay patient and just give your best. You don't need to panic in the exam hall. So moving forward, yes, so you can see here the exam pattern, as you can see over here. So general awareness is of 20 marks. So general awareness, our module is already live, so that will help you get at least 20 marks out of 25. In English language, you can see 1 RC, few spotting errors, close test and fillers. Quantitative aptitude, you can see 1 DI, few miscellaneous question, and apart from that also missing series or quadratic equations, something like that. In reasoning, you will find few puzzles logical reasoning questions, Silogs, machine input output, etc. So that will be the crux, and that's what we have also provided in our mock tests, so that you are well aware of what is going to come in the real exam. And the duration is very less, it's 60 minutes only, so that will be very less, so you have to perform accordingly. Apart from that, similarly here you have to 50 questions and of 100 marks, and time limit is 40 minutes, so time is very less. So again we have followed all these instructions and created our mocks aligned with the SEBI pattern. So you have to give mocks, do GA, because if your quant and reasoning is also not so good, still you can clear the paper 1 with GA also. But because quant may be quant level can come tough, as it came in 2018. Reasoning may be tough, but GA will be not tough. If you have read, you will score 20 marks easily in GA. And English is similarly, everything is based on your reading. So give mock, do GA, and give your best. And there is negative marking, and all those repetitive things which I have earlier mentioned is given here, so you can go and see this as well. So this is about phase 2, the descriptive paper. The descriptive batch is already launched and it's going on, and as of now just focus on paper 1, and essay, précis and comprehension will be asked in the phase 2. And yes, this mock test questions will also help you in phase 2, because the syllabus is same. Syllabus is 100% same in paper 2 of phase 1 or paper 2 of phase 2. So that will be an added advantage. Okay. So our courses are already live, as you can see over here also. The English descriptive course is live, and the GA course is also live. So you can go and enroll for that, and you can join our Quora space. If you the reviews are extremely positive, so you can see the reviews also, and we take the reviews seriously. We reiterate on our content after getting reviews. So you can go to our website, go to the description link, just appear for the mocks, and do comment how much score you get in the first mock. So that's the end of the video. If you like the video, if you watched the full video, do like this, subscribe, and comment your final score which you got in the first free mock. Thank you for watching the video. God bless you all for the SEBI Grade A pre.